Hi students, welcome to Finding Auxiliaries. Today we're going to check the topic about recognize the function of auxiliaries in negative, interrogative, and declarative statements in historical text. First, we're going to check what is an auxiliary. An auxiliary in grammar, a helping element, typically a verb, that adds meaning to the basic meaning of the main verb in a clause. So, we're going to check some examples of auxiliaries in present. In the first example, we can check Mexicans does cultivate corn and beans. This is for the third person, and for the plural, we use Mexican do cultivate corn and beans. This is in declarative statement. In negative, in the third person, we use Mexican does not feel spicy things so easy. In plural, we use Mexicans do not feel spicy things so easy. Interrogative. In plural, we use do Mexicans celebrate the Independence Day each year, and in third person, we use does Mexican celebrate the Independence Day each year? So, now we're going to check some examples of auxiliaries in past. We use the auxiliary did. For example, Mexicans did cultivate corn. In negative, Mexicans did not cultivate corn. And in interrogative, did Mexicans cultivate corn? So, we're going to check the use of auxiliaries. Declarative. A declarative sentence is a sentence that makes a statement, provides a fact, offers an explanation, or conveys information. This is like kind of positive. And negative sentences are declarative statements that they rely information believed to be true. Now, interrogative asks a direct questions and is punctuated at the end with a question mark. So, now we're going to practice. Write if the statements are declarative, negative, or interrogative in each example. We have the first. Do the Mexicans sing the Cielito Lindo song? People in United States do celebrate Halloween. Mexicans and Americans do not lie between them. The number one is positive or declarative. And the number two is interrogative. And in the number three is negative. Thank you for your attention. Now you can identify and recognize the auxiliaries in present and in past. Thank you.